Hey guys, welcome back to Algorithm. Today I want to look at PayPal. We want to do a live recon on PayPal. So I'll read through the highlights of PayPal in Hackerone. Then we'll go into the scope. Then for this, this is a developmental environment. I don't want to do that. Conclusion. So I will take these wildcards. So I'll take hyperwallet.com, paydiant.com. Which other one is here? Venmo.com and paypal.com, or we can even just do paypal.com alone. Should we do that, or should we do Hyperwallet? Let me just write them down first. So we'll go into our document folder, box folder, then we'll make directory PayPal, then we'll move into that PayPal. So clear end. So now for the first thing, we want to nano wildcards. So we have paylution.com, paylution.com, paydant.com, Hyperwallet, PayPal, if there's another one, PayPal Corp.com. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know if there's any other one. Let's see. There's this Braintree Gateway, PayPal Corp. We've written down Braintree Payments. I don't think I'm going to do all of this right now. That one. Then braintreepayments.com. Okay, so I'm just collecting them, but I'm not going to use all of them. I think I'm going to use like Paylution and Hyperwallet for now. Only those two. There's no reason to it, but I just want to do those two. So Control X, Y, and enter. Y and enter. So for starting us off, we're going to use asset finder. Let's see, subs only. So we'll do asset finder, paylution.com. Don't know if this will work. So not dash, subs dash only. Then we'll renew them to let's say paylution subs dot txt. We hit enter. So it will find all of this, then it will renew them into paylution subs.txt. Okay, so it has found some, so let's see. But before that, so yeah, this is what we found. Don't know how many they are, so we'll clear this first. So we'll do what's it called, pay LLS. So we have illusion subs, so we'll do a cut pay illusion subs.txt, then we pipe it through word count dash l. We have 115, which is okay. I think I'll also do the ones for the Hyperwallet, so I'll do asset finder. Here I'm going to write Hyperwallet subs.txt, then over here it's going to be hyperwallet.com. And let's see how many that will give us. So these are the ones that it has given us. And also I'm going to use subfinder, so I'll use subfinder search. Going to use dash d. So again, I'm just going to use subfinder dash d. Then I'll put it illusion subs.txt. No, .com, illusion.com. Then I'll also new it into illusion subs.txt. Then let's run it. As that is running, I'll also do the one for Hyperwallet, so I'm going to use subfinder. So the reason why I'm using both subfinder and what did I use, asset finder, is just to see which one will give, to just get the maximum output. So subfinder dash d hyperwallet.com. Then we new it again into hyperwallet subs.txt. Then we run it. So now if we do a cut of the illusion subs and pipe it through the word count L, you see it has added some 268. You can also run sublist on this. So that's that. So we have two of them. So if we're less, we have Hyperwallet subs and illusion subs. So I'm going to put both of these subs into one text file. Then I'm going to run HTTPX on it. So I'll do a new no cut Hyperwallet subs. I think I'll also illusion subs. Let me see if I pipe it through word count. Okay, so that works. So we'll do a new all subs.txt and we hit enter. So if we clear this, if we cut all subs, what did I name it? Just put it all. If we cut all and we pipe it through the word count L, we have 657. subs. So all of these 657 subs, we have to pass them through HTTPX to see which subs are live. So we'll clear this, and here we'll cut all. We'll pipe it through HTTPX. Let me first do HTTPX -h. So I want to find the source code. I also do the source code. So SC. I might also do the content length. Don't want to do that. So I'll do cut all. Then I pipe it through HTTPX -SC for the source code -CL for the content length. Let's see. I also do -title just in case. WebSocket. Should I also do an IP? Let's just do this, and then we'll. I just love using a new, so we'll new them into what should I name it? Live subs.txt and run it. The flag provided, but not. What did I write? Title. Oh shit. So it has one T. Run it. So this is it. We have some 302s here, some content length. So the first one is obviously the link, then the status code, then this 200 is the content length of that page. So I'm looking for something that has an extraordinary content length like this here, meaning there's something good in here. Though it's a 503, meaning it's a forbidden one. And let's see if we enter it to it. Oh, HTTPX is still running, so we can't do that yet. So let HTTPX run. As it is running, I'll move into my main directory and clear this. So let's run the check file and see. So let's see. Nikto. I haven't used Nikto. Let me try and use Nikto and see. So Nikto -h. Let's use Paylution. .com. Let's leave Nikto to run. Oh yeah. So all of these are what we have. These are all the live subdomains. You can see here. Let me see if I do txt. Let me clear first. So if I do a cut live, then I sort it. This is what we have. So let's see. What if we do type it through grep something like admin? So there's none. Let's see something like dev. We have developer hyperwallet.com. It's a 301, meaning I'm getting the redirected. Also this to master, GM master. That's up and see. GM master. We're having trouble finding that site. Let's try again. It's okay. Let's see something else that we can find more useful here. As you're looking, we can clear these, and we can do like katana for this. So we do cd into documents and box and PayPal. Then I want to do a katana on katana. Should I use katana or Go? Let's see. So we cut the cheat file again. So goes to so I'll do I'm going to nano first. Let me just call this link. Then I'm going to put the paylation in there. Paylation.txt and also the hyperwallet link.com. Then what I want to do, I want to do a GAU on it, so I'll use I'll cut link, then I'll pipe it through GAU, then I pipe it through a new. Let's just call this GAU urls.txt and run it. Nickel is running. Let's see here. Let's check Tuvala. Okay. I'm looking for something that has something good in here. Placeholder, PayPal, Hyperwallet. Let me see this here. Or let me just let me do this. Let me cut, then grep 200. These are the ones that work. So we have Shurizon, home programs, liability, portal, hyperwallet.com. This one looks promising. Let's see. Wallet, teachers, pay teachers, Traura. And look at this. This is the Hyperwallet one. It has 65,750. And also you can check this here. It has 10,000. The content length is 10,000. What's the difference between this and this? There's hyperwallet.com, it has 31,000. And there's www.hyperwallet.com, which has 65,000. So let's check this one first. Let's check this one first. check this one first. So this one says it's bad request. I think this one was a 3 or something. We'll check it later. Let's first look at this. So developer sandbox. This is a portal, Hyperwallet. Let's say it needs an account, a user ID, and a password to create a sandbox account. So let me just write like admin. What is happening? And type here. Let's write AV. Let's also just write this and try to log in. Nothing is happening here. So yeah, this is what we have on Hyperwallet, www.hyperwallet.com, and the other one was just Hyperwallet, hyperwallet.com. So which one of these has the highest? So www.hyperwallet.com has the highest, so I'm going to copy this link. I'm also going to do a go on it. I'm going to do a go on it. So I'm going to do here. I don't know if this will work. Then we pipe it through go. Then we move it through www hyper.txt. So that one I can't unless I do it inside the text.txt file. So I'm going to nano www hyper. Let me just do that. Then I'm going to paste it in here. Control X, Y, then enter. Then I'm going to go, before that, I'm going to cut the hyper, not the hyper, the www hyper, then type it through go, then type it through a new. Let's say www hypergo.txt and run it. So this one here finished. But let's first look at this. So the 65,000 content land, it's the www one. So let's see this one. Search. So since it has all of that content land, means there's something hidden somewhere in here. So the first thing I always check is go through the robots.txt if it has one. So let's do robots.txt. 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 So they've disallowed consumer, they've disallowed .pdfs, they've disallowed the WordPress JSON, and there's also a sitemap in here. And also the user agent, they've disallowed content uploads, import. All these are very, 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 very good. Very good. So let's start with this consumer. So in here, or rather, let me just do this www.hyperwallet, and then like that. Going to use consumer. Let's see what it will give us. And this also shows that we can do a die search on this. So nothing changed. I don't think anything changed here. You can do a die search on this. So then back here, let's exit this one. Then on this, I'm going to do a die search on it. So just search the shoe. I'm going to use this. Let's search the shoe. Then I'm going to do a word list. So dash W. Then I'm going to use documents, word lists. I don't remember the rest. So let's see, CD and CD into documents, word list. So let's see, ls. I'm going to use the bug bounty one. So CD into the bug bounty one. Then ls. Let's see. I'm going to use what is the name? But so I'm going to use plus. So I'm going to use the directory only, the small one. This one here. So word list. Then we do the bounty. Then yes. Then run it. No. Before that, I'm going to save it out. Let me just see something. Search results.txt. So let it run. Let it run. I'm going to exit on this one. So the search is landing on the www.hyperwallet.com. And in here, the go has finished on this. So let's see if we cut, and we test ls and see. If we ls, we have the go URLs. Oh, this one, this is what I wanted. So if we cut the www hypergo.txt, the word count of it dash I is going to be 4,743, which is fine. Then let's do something like grep equal sign. So we have like this one here. It's a WordPress one. Dash a question mark s. You can try the what we called. We can try doing XSS on it. So Hyperwallet on port 80. We have something with JSP. So let's see H2. Let me see this one. And also, as the search is running here, don't know why it ain't started. So it is running there. You can go back to our robots.txt. We have this here. Let's try to run this. Maybe we can find some good PDFs on it. So close that one. This one. And stroke. Let's see if it can work. Let's see if this will work. If this will work, it will work. I hope the dice is running. Really hope it's running. What the hell is happening? I think there might be something wrong with my dice search. I don't know why it's behaving like this. Here we have resources. Let me see, let me inspect first. Oh, let me do this. Come on, come on, come on. Let me inspect this part, inspect accessibility. So post it link HR resources. I'm trying to look for something like a DOM based script. Look for something like a DOM based script. Let's say what's the robot one? We were trying to look for the PDFs. It hasn't been found. Let's try the WP JSON. Let's see what the WordPress JSON will tell us. I think it's still running because here I see 67%. So probably it's still running. Okay, so the JSON, come on, load up, load up, load up, load up. I think it's loaded, so it has nothing in it. Well, let's see the content length. Let's see the content length of this. So going to be here, call, I, V. What the content length is. Maybe before. First is the Hyperwallet, okay. Data 503, meaning it's forbidden. Only this one. So I won't even look into it. So clear this. Oh no, I didn't check the. Oh no! I didn't check the one for the Necto, but it's okay. So here, let's go back to the robots. Which other one can I still look into? Let's see this one here. Content uploads, then WP. So let's see here. Content upload, then WP. It doesn't open. Let's try to see here. The uploads also doesn't open. See, and this here also doesn't open. Wow. So I haven't gotten much from this, but I guess if I look into it further, I can get something. So this was the www one. Let's try this hyperwallet.com. Let's look at its robot.txt. .txt. .txt. We can also check to see what is running. So we can do the apply that. We have WordPress version 5 on this page. They're using the database MySQL. Payment processors is the PayPal, which is fine. They're also using PHP. I'm going to look for something in PHP. This is supposed to be robots. Robot.txt. Oh, it's still the same thing. How is it still the same thing? Hyperwallet.com robots.txt. So that won't help us. That won't help us at all. Anyways. Okay, so let me do this. Let me try to find a login page. Or even an admin page if I can find one. For this one, pay now the JSP. Content equals to pay now login. Type generic. Let me see. I open this one. Type is generic. I'm going to close this one because I ain't even using it. Closing that one also. Is there something here that shows a login page? Let me inspect this. Dun, 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 dun. We have a HTTP. Let's see if it has some JavaScript. So I do is script. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Which is paid experience, company, developers, careers, and blog. Let me see if I want to make a payment, what happens. So the data set is done. I'm going to clear it. That's a less. Let's cut. I think my data set is wrong, or something has happened to it. We have only 30, 30, 30. So if we cut the data search results, let me do a grep 200. Can't even understand what is happening here. Let's see, let's look at the question. This won't work for me. So what's left to do is this one, instead of dash search, I'm going to use puff. So here we're going to add the word as, and up here I'm going to use puff. I don't know if it requires puff the shoe. Puff shoe. Then I'm going to do dash T 200. But let me just leave it like that, then run it. Let's see what puff will give us, because that's such important for me. So what else are we doing here? Let me see if I can get something. I'm seeing a lot of things here with .jsp. I think it's using this is a JavaScript. What does the JavaScript page? I think. Let me see. What if I grab admin? Okay, so we have some things here. Hyperwallet. This is the WordPress admin. Let's open it and see. This one wasn't found. It's fine. Too many requests. Oh, let's see admin. Hyperwallet.com job Linux system admin.html. This logging in. We have to do the payout capabilities. More logging. So did you see what happened? If I do payout capabilities, I'm taken down here, meaning there's a hash somewhere. There is a hash somewhere. So let's see, if I take this one, then I go up here. Then here, we do like a hash. Let's see if it will call it. Let's say hash payout. Abilities. Don't know what's happening. Let's inspect this. So this is the problem with bug bounty. Nothing is ever straight. You have to look and so you see here there's a hash here, hash payout capabilities. We can try the DOM based exercise and see if it will work for us. So this is an event that when the hash is placed here, it calls it out. So let's see here. Run it. It takes us on the down side of the page. right? So let's see if we go back up here and run it again. Okay, still takes us there. So what if here, or rather, let's do this. Let's try to put an image source in here. So image source equals to, let me just put a number on error equals to on error equals to, let's say, alert. Come on, type equals to alert. It's right here. 21. Let's see if this will happen. So nothing happened. Let's try to inspect it. Let's try to inspect it. So here I'm going to search for alert. Okay. So there's not much in here. There is no much. So let's see this event. It's using a jQuery. So the function says, maybe I can enlarge it. I can't enlarge it. So the function says there's a variable called e, which we equate it to t. If e data it slides and it replaces that. Okay, this hash slice, it's using a hash slice. Okay, so I'm going to look for something that affects the hash slice. Let's see. Yeah, like I was saying, this event is triggered by the jQuery. So let's try to do this. Instead of alert, let's try to use print. So let's just try to remove all of these and see if we can control this input. So image source equals to this, an error, print. So nothing happened. Let's try unload. Unload equals to print. Does this mean you can't control this input? Does this mean you can't control this input? It's okay. That exercise didn't work. Let's try here. Let me just try to copy this. Copy it. In here. Let's search that. We get an error for too many requests. Hyperwallet. This is where the search is. I saw that search somewhere in this go. So let's try another one. We were doing this Linux system. The page hasn't been found. Let's see. Senior Linux system administrator on port 80. Oh, this is just the job. This is just a job I got. That really won't help us. Let's try to do like an API. See, next port API public at founder. Let's just news announcements. Frequently asked questions. Let's try this one here. Let's try this one. Too many requests. Have I been flagged down by Hyperwallet? Let me see. Let me see if this will open. Yes, I've been flagged down by Hyperwallet. So I'm going to close this from here, but I'll get back. I think I've run too many requests on the Go, probably. This one here was the Go for the Hyperwallet and the Paylation. We haven't even touched on Paylation yet. We're still on Hyperwallet. I might continue this one. Maybe I'll do for the Hyperwallet. Here, did we undo it somewhere? It just goes to. It's okay. So I'm going to stop here. If you have any questions, I know we haven't found any bug yet on PayPal. We have just done the Hyperwallet. We've gone deep into Hyperwallet mostly, and we haven't even touched on Paylation yet. I might do the Paylation one, and I'll show you guys what's happening. I'm also going to still try to do the Hyperwallet because my IP address seems to have been flagged down because I've been requesting too much. Mostly, I think it's the die search or the FAF or even the Go, maybe. So this is algorithm signing out. Peace.